Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access privacy. Then click on privacy section at the top next to permissions and tap on app lock. Now select Got it and tap on this gray sweater next to app lock feature. If you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up to use app lock. You can always do that by tapping on settings in this pop-up. Now tap on use a different password type and select one of those login methods. 4 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Finally, create your privacy password and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then set up your recovery email just in case and hit confirm. You need to also answer this security question. If you don't like it, click on it, pick one of those, or tap on custom question and create your own. Save it by tapping on confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Then tap on this check mark at the top right corner. Finally, you can tap on the sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to lock. In my case, booking.com. So when I go back and try to access Booking app, icons that pattern is now required. In order to disable app lock from one of your apps, access exactly the same settings. Click on app lock, enter your privacy password and tap on the same no blue sweater. To disable app lock completely, select this sweater next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!